Hey guys, welcome back to L&R
Sisters.
So, today we're going to be showing you some back to school crafts. And hacks and a lot of fun stuff. So we're just going to be teaching you how to DIY a notebook.
Yeah. Oh, and if I forgot to mention this in the thing, put your sequins on the body anywhere, okay? If I forgot to mention.
So we're going to be teaching how to do a cactus notebook, a peacock notebook, and then just a few hacks in general. Yes, it is late.
Like really, really late.
It's like 8:30 at night. But we want to go back to school so bad that we're doing this. So,
yeah.
Make sure to check out our Instagram. We just got it. It's super fun. And we put some videos on how to draw emojis for an emoji binder that we'll show you later. But let's go ahead and get in the video. Pshoo, boo, boo, boo.
Alright, so I'm going to be teaching you how to design notebooks. I have two. What we're going to need to do is, it doesn't have to be double-sided, but I'm just using double-sided because that's the only one I can find. Some green paper, a roller, scissors, a notebook, of course, markers, which are back there somewhere, and sequins. We're going to be drawing a peacock. So, take whichever one you want. Take the beautiful green. It doesn't have to be green paper. Well, I already measured mine. So mine is and it's going to be going this way. Oh, and I'm going to have to be doing it this way too. So, mine is 8 inches that way. And then it is 10.5 inches this way. So measure it, 10.5. Make it to be about 7.5. So go ahead and mark that off. And long ways and short ways, measure it off as an 8. So now you are going to cut the paper at your line, so.
And I'm going to stop it so Reese can get the paper.
Alright, then after you cut that out, you are going to cut out the pant legs. So you're going to do that. You're going to cut it out and use the other half of the paper. If you need to trim it, it's fine. So let's see, let's measure this. Yep, that's perfect. Oh, no, please don't. Now, what I'm going to do,
What was that for you? Just let me What was that for you? Just let me adore you.
Just do a few strips of hot glue on it. It doesn't have to be perfect. Ow! Just got some on my leg. That hurts. So now we are going to simply lay it on. And if you need to pry it up, it's perfect. And you're simply gonna lay it like right here. Perfect! Okay, slam it down. Okay, now for a beautiful peacock. So get your markers that you're going to need. So you're going to need a blue, which I have to find. Oh, there it is. Blue. A blue. One pink. I mean orange. One orange, sorry. One green. Ah, the phone. Sorry, guys. The markers are back here. So stand up. Oh, a red, which I have to find. No, that's not the red. Sorry. It's taking forever. Just use this paint marker. No, that won't. I'm just gonna use this. So, add phone. There we go. So, and you're going to need some more colors. A purple. Beautiful purple.
It's just me.
And yeah, that's what you're gonna need. So, oh, and your beautiful sequins. So, first off, oh, and yellow. Yellow! Down here. So, phone. Okay, phone. First you're going to take your blue. You're going to make a potato. One simple potato. Okay? And don't color it in, okay? Then you are going to make lines for a giraffe neck. So like a potato on a fork. A potato on a stick. Like a dinosaur. Like a swimming dinosaur. Alright? You're going to color the neck in. But don't make lines at the bottom. Just color the neck in. I mean, you can make a line at the bottom, but that's not where the peacock is stopping. So then, what you are going to do, don't color the head in, don't color the potato in. Only color the neck. And so far, like that. So then what you are going to do, ow, is you are going to, make the body, okay? The body's going to be blue too. So, it goes around like a big oval, okay? Make a big oval. Like it is a sea dinosaur. Like it's a sea dinosaur. So, and to make it festive, we're going to add some beautiful stuff. So, make one line that's blue and then color that top in. So, make it at the top. Try not to do it yet till I show you, like that. Do it like that. But not halfway, just like that, okay? Take your orange, color, do the same exact thing. Not over it, just like do the same exact thing. All right, so, you are going, so what you are going to do for the feathers now, I already did mine. So what you're going to do, I'm going to show you on this piece of paper. So, what you do is you draw one big line, like that. All right, then you just start flicking like this. Like this. Like that onto your feathers, and then they should turn out like this, except prettier and nicer. And they're different colors and stuff. So, yeah. After you do that, you're going to grab your yellow and do feet. So, basically, you're just going to do 2 sticks. And then, like, snowman arms. 1, 2. Between those, okay? Then they're going to be little peacock feet. So, after that, you're going to do a yellow beak. So, do a triangle off the potato. Okay, do a line in the potato. Do a line in the triangle that's on the potato, and boom, that's your beak. Now what we are going to be doing is the eye. I forgot to mention you need a black marker for this. Alright? So, make a tiny little circle, okay? Okay? Make a circle like that. And then simply, don't do this yet, but you're going to flick. Like with the girl with makeup on. Like that. So yeah. Then you are going to color it in. Take as much time as you want. And yeah, that's it for my craft. I'm gonna color in this head. We'll be done.
Alright guys, I'm very cold, so I'm using a blanket because it's warm and fuzzy and fluffy. Reese, your foot.
Oh, sorry.
Thank you, Reese, for that beautifulness.
Sorry.
Alright, so I'm going to be teaching you how to make a cactus notebook. You literally need, what?
3 things.
1?
No, 2. No. 5.
5 things to make this notebook. It's so easy. All you're going to need is a black Sharpie, some scissors.
Ow.
She's okay. Some sequins.
I'm fine.
Some green paper. I already cut it out into a cactus shape.
Ow.
So go ahead and cut yours out into a cactus shape. And a notebook.
My foot.
Stop.
Sorry.
So to start, all you're going to do is hot glue your cactus onto your notebook.
Are you needing the hot glue gun?
Yeah. That's kind of the point of the craft. So all I'm going to do is literally
just do that random thing.
Some hot glue. Hey Reese, can you put some more hot glue sticks in there?
Sure.
So I'm hot gluing mine over the logo.
Boom.
Just because then it looks nicer. So, life hack. Alright, Reese, stop. Stop! She's just like squeezing hot glue out of the hot glue gun.
Yeah, but I'm not using the trigger. I'm pushing the hot glue stick in, so then it'll push out.
Make sure not to hot glue the book to the paper.
Yeah.
Don't make a mistake like that.
That really hurt my thumb whenever I burnt it.
Babes. Alright. I just finished. I'm so cold. I'm sorry.
Who likes Lightning McQueen?
I just finished.
That's seriously it?
The cactus. And this is so simple and so easy, but it's literally adorable. And then I'm just going to take my sequins and hot glue them all around it. So
that's going to be hard.
Yeah, and I'll show you the finished product.
They're purposeful. Oh my god.
Oh my goodness. So,
Okay.
I just finished and I really like it. So simple and so easy. And then check out our Instagram to see me drawing some of these emojis on my binder. So yeah, moving on to the hacks. Alright guys, so that is it for today's video. Also, bonus hack. Here's a bonus hack for you. Lay your clothes out the night before.
You wear
Life will just be easier. So, but that's it for today's video. Make sure to check out our Instagram. Make sure to check out our cookbook video. Please, we want to do the cookbook video. Please. Please. And our shout out video if you want a shout out. That's it for today, guys. Bye, guys.